Good morning students. We are in paint program and today I will explain you children how to change the size of a object in a drawing. Changing the size means how to increase its size or how to decrease its size. For that, first of all, we will click on a shape. I am clicking on a triangle shape. We will also select the size and we will select the color for our triangle. Then we will take our mouse pointer, we will press the left button and we will hold down it, and when we get the desired size of triangle, we release the mouse button. Now see, a triangle has made in the drawing window. We will use fill color button to fill the color in the triangle. Now we will learn how can we change the size of a triangle. See children, there is a select button on an image group. Select button is used to select the part of a picture. We will click on this button and then we will just take our mouse pointer in the drawing area. We have to see that our complete part or object should be selected. So we will click on the left mouse button, we will hold down it and we will select the complete object in the drawing. As we have selected, now we have to resize the shape of a triangle. So we use resize handle buttons. We will take our mouse pointer to the any corner. We will hold down the mouse button pressed, and if you want to decrease the size, we will take the mouse pointer inward side. हम माउस पॉइंटर को ट्राइंगल के अंदर की साइड में ले जाएंगे and when we see that desired size is coming, we release the mouse button. See children, this way we have decreased the size of triangle. Now again see, resize handle buttons are coming. We will see how can we increase the size of triangle. We will take our mouse pointer to the any corner. Again we will press the left mouse button, we will hold down it and then we will drag it to outer side. As we take the mouse pointer outer side, slowly we will see that its size increased. So this way we can resize the object in our drawing. Now children see, there is one more use of select tool. Once we have selected the shape, if we want, we can copy the same shape in our drawing. For this we use copy option children and then we use paste. You will see the paste will create duplicate copy of the shape. I have made two triangles in my drawing program. So this way we can resize the shapes. Also we can, with the help of select tool, we can copy our shapes. And if you want, we can move also from one place to another place. And if you want to erase, then we just click on the eraser button or simply we select and press the delete key on a keyboard. So selection tool also help us to copy the shape, move the shape and clear the shape from the drawing area. Now children, once we have finished our drawing and if we want to save our drawing for the future use, we click on a paint button and we click on a save option. When we click on a save option, save as dialog box comes. In the file name box, we have to type the name for our file. Suppose I want my file. Name of my file is my file. And then we will click on a save button children. As we click on a save button, you will find out that on the title bar, the name of my file is coming, that is my file. And now if you want to open a new drawing file, we click on a new option. We will see new drawing file is coming. Now in this, we will draw a circle. we will use fill color option to fill the color in a circle. Now again see children that suppose I want to open my previous file, that is my file, then what we will do? We will come to the paint button and here we will click on the open button. And now we have to type the file name that we want to open, or we have to click on the file. So I will select the file by just clicking the लेफ्ट माउस बटन. हम लेफ्ट माउस बटन से क्लिक करेंगे और फाइल को सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे. एंड देन वी क्लिक ऑन अ ओपन button. It will ask us that this file you want to save or not. We will, suppose we don't want to save, we click on a don't save and see our existing file opens in the paint program. So this way we can open an existing file, and when our work is finished in paint program children, we use paint button and exit option, or we can use close button, that is top right corner of the paint window, and we will click on this to close the paint program. Thank you.